So what monster still scares you to this day? No matter how many times you've seen it, you still get scared by it every time.
My teenage daughter.
My teenage daughter? I mean, bro, it's ridiculous. What's your biggest fear?
It's a very, very scary one.
I come.
Shinmin Lee when she's mad at me. That is the scariest monster in the world.
Jonathan.
It's never happened.
Oh my God.
What makes a monster truly scary to you? Like, what really makes you go, ah?
I think if there's no mercy whatsoever behind their eyes, like zombies, there's no humanity left in them, and so there's no chance whatsoever that you could appeal to them to save you. What about you, Jonathan?
Almost like there would be like a host of a TV show, and then all of a sudden he would turn into something like a vampire. Ah! The scariest thing to me about a monster is definitely the teeth. Because I think the teeth are the things that make us scared most of all when it comes to monsters. Ugh, well, that didn't work.
I literally couldn't look him in the eye. All I could look at were the teeth.
What's the most scary is the joke that doesn't land. Oh.
Yes, it is.